Page 47, fifths. At the top of the page they're showing you an interval of a fifth. But remember I already talked about counting intervals, so let's go see. It's start here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a fifth. These are all fifths. That's it, pretty much. It's pretty simple. In the music, you'll see that the notes are both lines or both spaces, and there's a line or a space in between. So if the notes are on spaces, well, look at the first measure in fifths. You have C's and a G, that's a fifth. And if you'll notice, there's a line in the music, the bottom line of the staff is in between those two notes. And that you can tell real quick what a fifth looks like, because in the music there'll be a line or a space in between them. And that's the way it works. Look at the left hand at the first measure there. You have two C's and a G, that's a fifth. But when you look at the music, there's a space in between them, because the C's in the next to the bottom space and the G's in the top space, but there's a space in between them. And that's just a quick way of identifying fifths. So in fifths, let's look it over. It's 2 lines long, 4/4 time. We're going to count to 4. We're counting quarter notes. The notes, take your here. Really, this is just C and G for the right hand is all you're doing, and for the left hand it looks like C's and G's is all there is. Quarter notes and half notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the left hand is 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a lot going on there. Medium loud, moderately loud, again you'll have to figure out what that is. It's sort of loud. And this is moderately slow again. Okay, don't think this is going to be much of a challenge to you. Let's go ahead and do the play with me and have you check and make sure you got all the right notes and rhythms. The notes aren't a problem, let's just make sure we got the right rhythm. So I'll give us 4 counts, let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4.